ang bituin at araw niyang kailan pa may di magdidilim. Lupa ng araw ng buwan, ating pagsinta, buhay langit sa piling mo. Aming ligaya ng pag may mga api, ang mamatay ng dahil sa'yo. Ay, memorya?
Ang numpa ng kawani ng gobyerno. Hoy kawani ng gobyerno, hulin ko ang maglingkod ng tapat at mahusay. Dahil dito, ako'y papasok ng maaga at magtatrabaho. Ang pasatak ng oras kung kinakailangan. Sisilbi ako ng magalang at naging lahat ng nangangailangan. Pangangalagaan ko ang mga gamit, sangkapan, at iba pang pag-aari ng pamahalaan. Magiging pantay at sasalita ako laban sa katiwalian, sasamantala. Hindi ko gagamitin ang aking panunungkulan sa sarili kong kapakanan. Hindi ako hihingi ng suhol, tatanggap ng suhol pala. Sorry. Kapin kong madagdagan ang aking talino at upang ang antas ng paglilingkod sa bayan ay patuloy na maitaas. Sapagkat ako'y isang kawani ng gobyerno, sa maunlad at masagana at mapayapang Pilipinas. Sa harap ninyong lahat, ako'y taos pusong nanunungkap.
Bayan of Labisaros during Samar, held on Monday, February 26, 2024, 9 o'clock in the morning at the SB Session Hall. Resolution number 52 series of 2024, signifying the interest of the municipality of Labisaros Northern Samar to establish a sisterhood, twinning, negotiation, and relationship agreement with the City of Manila. Whereas Section 33 of the Local Government Code of 1991 provides cooperative undertakings among local government units through appropriate ordinances, group themselves, consolidate or coordinate their efforts, services, and resources for purposes commonly beneficial to them. Whereas the AOG Memorandum Circular Number 97-306 dated November 25, 1997, prescribing guidelines for the conduct of participation in activities relating to the signing of sister city owned twinning or partnership agreements between local government units. Whereas the municipality of Labisaros Northern Samar, under the leadership of our Honorable Mayor Edito B. Soladaga, is signifying its greatest desire for the establishment of sisterhood with the beautiful city of Manila, headed by Honorable City Mayor Maria Sheila Hani Lacuna Pangal, to create a fruitful sisterhood relationship with each other, especially on establishing areas of collaboration for mutual benefit on matters relating to commerce, culture, education, environmental and tourism development. Whereas this resolution was conceived upon the timely intercession of the former municipal councilor Nelson M. Isguera, a known civic-minded leader in the municipality, and the incumbent provincial board member Quintin B. Saladaga. Now, therefore, a motion of Honorable Enrique G. De Rutas and unanimously seconded, it was resolved as it is hereby resolved by the Sangguniang Bayan of Labisaros Northern Samar to signify as it hereby signifies the interest of the municipality of Labisaros Northern Samar to establish a sisterhood twinning relationship agreement with the City of Manila. Resolved further that the office of every punong barangay and other offices of this municipality be furnished a copy of this resolution for proper guidance and dissemination. Resolved further that the office of the Honorable City Mayor Maria Sheila Hani Lacuna Pangan, City of Manila, be forwarded with a copy of this resolution for her information, appropriate and favorable action. Resolved finally to furnish copy of this resolution to all concerned for their information. Unanimously approved, February 26, 2024. Signed, Honorable Maria Sheila Ulugman, Honorable Lerwin G. Lim, Honorable J. Serafin B. Clotario, Honorable Yuri M. Solidaga, Honorable Enrique G. Dirutas, Honorable Di Coruso A. Turla Jr., Honorable Analita B. Martires, Honorable Ronnie T. Turla, President Liga ng mga Barangay, and Honorable Maria Danica C. Dani, President East Bay Federation. Certified correct. Honorable Leonardo G. Chuzon, Vice Mayor, Presiding Officer, attested Rodel C. Cuico, Secretary to the Sangguniang Bayan, and approved Honorable Lerwin G. Lim, OIC Mayor. In response to this resolution of the Sangguniang Bayan, the City Council of Manila has approved Resolution number 22, Series of 2024, and may I read the content. Republic of the Philippines City Council, City of Manila, regular session number 115, 12th City Council, Resolution number 92, Series of 2024, Resolution authorizing the establishment of a twinning relationship between the City of Manila and the Municipality of Labesares, Northern Samar. Principal authors, Honorable Rodolfo In Laksamana, Honorable Benny Fog T. Abante III, Honorable Irma C. Alfonso Huson, Honorable Terence F. Alibarbar, Honorable Cristil Marie C. Bacani, Honorable Donovan D.J. Bagatsing, Honorable Laris T. Borromeo, Honorable Robin F. Binaventura, Honorable Carlos C. Castañeda, Honorable Obisido N. Chua, Honorable Nino M. De La Cruz, Honorable Roberto E. Espiritu II, Honorable Jesus E. Fajardo Jr., Honorable Pamela Fa G. Fuguso Pascual, Honorable Martin V. Isidro Jr., Honorable Numero G. Lim, Honorable Johanna Maureen C. Nieto Rodriguez, Honorable Eric Ian O. Nieva, Honorable Elmer M. Parra, Honorable Luisa Marie Lady J. Quintostan, Honorable Science A. Reyes, Honorable Roma Paula is Robles Daluz, Honorable Darwin B. Sia, Honorable Luis C. Uy, Honorable Luciano M. Veloso, Honorable Joel J. T. V. Villanueva, Honorable Raimundo Ario Panco, Honorable Timothy Oliver I. Zarcal, Honorable Lailani Marie H. Lacuna, Honorable Juliana Ray M. Ibay, Honorable Salvador Philip H. Lacuna, Minority Floor Leader Honorable J.B. S. Izon, Acting Majority Floor Leader, and Honorable John Marvin C. Yul Servo Nieto, Vice Mayor and Presiding Officer. Whereas this resolution is in pursuance to the issuance of the Department of the Interior and Local Government, DILG, Memorandum Circular number 97-306, dated November 25, 1997, relative to the establishment and maintenance of friendly ties, peace and unity, and to participate in significant activities geared towards the enhancement and to enliven the cultural, economic, and livelihood programs mutually beneficial among the local government units. Whereas the municipality of Labesares, Northern Samar furnished the Honorable Maria Sheila Hani H. Lacuna Pangan, MD, FPDS, a copy of their municipal resolution number 52, series of 2024, adopted by Sangguniang Bayan on February 26, 2024, captioned, a resolution signifying the interest of the municipality of Labesares, Northern Samar to establish a sisterhood, twinning negotiation, and relationship agreement with the City of Manila. Whereas this resolution is intended to uplift the spirit of mutual friendship and goodwill that aims in strengthening economic gains, creativity, skills development that would help pave their vision of progress, to encourage the constituents to be productive, and sustainability of various development programs in the areas of trade and investment, human development, health, culture, education, and tourism. Whereas in behalf of the people of the Visayas Northern Samar, led by Honorable Mayor Edito B. Saladaga, and duly concurred by the honorable members of the Sangguniang Bayan of Cebu Municipality, showed our favorable support of consenting to a twinning relationship, which is hoped to establish and maintain a lasting relationship. Now therefore, be it resolved that the City Council of Manila authorize, as it hereby authorizes, establishment of a twinning relationship between the City of Manila and the Municipality of the Visayas Northern Samar, and be it further resolved that a copy of this resolution be furnished the Municipality of the Visayas Northern Samar, presided by John Marvin C. Yul Servo Nieto, Vice Mayor and Presiding Officer, City Council, Manila. This resolution was adopted by the City Council of Manila at its regular session on February 27, 2024. Attested, Lodge R. Jimpis Jr., City Government Department Head 3, Secretary to the City Council. And now, ladies and gentlemen, let's hear the message of the main proponent, the principal author of this City Council resolution, the Honorable Rodolfo N. Laksamana.
Magandang araw po sa inyo lahat. Ako po si Consel Rod Ninong Laksamana ng Distrito of Manila. Ako po ay dumakati sa inyo ng isang maupay na araw po sa inyo lahat ng mga Tabisares noon, Northern Samar. Meron lamang po ako sa balita sa inyo na kaganapan dito sa siyudad ng Maynila noong nakaraang Pebrero. Alam po ninyo, pag-English Tagalog na lamang po ako para makaintindihan po tayo ng mas paliwanag. With the timely intercessions of the incumbent Provincial Board member na Rapid Committee Honorable B. Saladaga and the former Supreme Court of the Philippines Division Chief Honorable Nelson Sierra, ay sila po ay nakapag-usap sa akin nung nakaraang mga buwan, mga Pebrero, para po sa inyong kahilingan na magkaroon tayo ng twinning agreement between sa aming syudad at sa inyong lugar sa Visayas, Northern Samar. And thank you po for the letters that I have received, the intentions of the Mayor, our good Mayor Edito Saladaga, for the request that he wrote me, and he wrote my good Mayor, Hani Nakuna Pangan. Nakunin nyo last February 27 of this year, 2024, the 12 City Council of Manila approved the twinning agreement between the Visayas, Northern Samar, and the City of Manila na tayo po ay magkaroon ng twinning relationship. And yun nga po ay na-approve namin sa tulong po ng inyong lingkod at ang ating mga konsehal ng Maynila noong February 27, 2024. So now it's official that the Visayas, Northern Samar, is a sister city. We have a twinning agreement between City of Manila and the Visayas, Northern Samar. So ako po ay nagbibigay ng balitang kaligayahan, kagalakan, dahil nga po na-approve namin ang inyong twinning sa Manila. And in behalf of our good Mayor, our beloved Mayor Hani Nakuna Pangan, and our Vice Mayor Yulsa Bonieto, siyempre po we wish you all happiness, and the progress, and hopefully the Visares and City of Manila will be in unison for safe relationship. Siyempre, towards progress, peace, and camaraderie in harmony with our loving people, the people of Manila and the people of the Visares Northern Samar. I deeply apologize for because our intention is to go there to send to you the official healing agreement between Manila and Visares last April of the past April 24, but unfortunately because of the hectic schedule, hindi po kami nakarating. So in behalf of the 12 City Council, sa aking mga staff and our mayor and the vice mayor, please accept our apology for not coming to your place. But definitely po, if we have time to go there, we will visit you. And the invitation po goes both ways. We would like to invite you. Hopefully you can visit the city of Manila, and so we can talk more about our teaming agreement, and then at sana po ay maging progresibo kung ano may tutulong ng city of Manila sa Visares ay very much nagaganap. We are very happy to present to you our ways of doing things in Manila, and para po makatulong kami sa inyo how to make the Visares progressive and more productive place to live in sa Northern Samar. Hindi po, this is your counselor, Lord Ninong Laksamana. Maraming salamat po. Congratulations for us, and welcome po ang La Visares North Northern Samar to come to the Philippines.
And now may I formally present to the Honorable Mayor Resolution number 92, Series of 2024 from the City Council of Manila. The department is to be one with the mayor for the off. Department heads and SD members, please join our municipal mayor for a photo opportunity. And in thanksgiving to Honorable Laksamana for his effort in facilitating and sponsoring the twinning relationship between the City of Manila and the Municipality of the Visares, the Sangguniang Bayan of the Visares has passed Resolution number 137, Series of 2024, recognizing Honorable Rodolfo N. Laksamana, City Councilor of Manila, and his staff for facilitating and sponsoring City Council Resolution number 92, Series of 2024, entitled Authorizing the Establishment of a Twinning Relationship between the City of Manila and the Municipality of the Visares Northern Samar. Whereas Honorable Rodolfo N. Laksamana, City Councilor of Manila, and his dedicated staff have worked tirelessly to facilitate and sponsor City Council Resolution number 92, Series of 2024, which aims to establish a twinning relationship between the City of Manila and the Municipality of the Visares Northern Samar. Whereas the twinning relationship between the City of Manila and the Municipality of the Visares Northern Samar will promote cultural exchange, economic cooperation, and mutual understanding between the two local government units. Whereas the efforts of Honorable Rodolfo N. Laksamana and his staff in advancing this resolution demonstrate their commitment to fostering positive relationship with other localities like the municipality of Labisares. Now, therefore, on motion of Honorable Enrique G. Durutas, duly seconded, it was resolved as it is hereby resolved to recognize Honorable Rodolfo in Laksamana, City Councilor of Manila, and his staff for facilitating and sponsoring City Council Resolution number 92, Series of 2024, entitled Authorizing the Establishment of a Twinning Relationship between the City of Manila and the Municipality of Labisares Northern Samar. Resolved finally to furnish copies of this resolution to all concerned agencies for their information, guidance, and favorable action. Unanimously approved, April 15, 2024. Signed, Honorable Artemio H. Balag, SB Member. Honorable Maria Sheila Ulugban, SB Member. Honorable Erwin G. Lim, SB Member. Honorable J. Serafin B. Clotario, SB Member. Honorable Yuri M. Saladaga, SB Member. Honorable Enrique G. Durutas, SB Member. Honorable Decoroso A. Carlo Jr., SB Member. Honorable Analita de Martires, SB Member. Honorable Rolly P. Torla, President, Liga ng mga Barangay. And Honorable Maria Danica C. Ibdani, President, SK Federation. Certified correct, Honorable Leonardo G. Chuzan, Vice Mayor, Presiding Officer. Attested to Del C. Coico, Secretary to the Sangguniang Bayan, and approved Honorable Edito D. Saladaga, Municipal Mayor. And now, this time, we'd like to hear the message from our very own Municipal Mayor, the Honorable Edito D. Saladaga. Right. Yes.
To our beloved Vice Mayor, Leonardo T. Chuzon, aton mga aktibo, mga pagduruto, mga tahan na membro sa Sangguniang Bayan, Honorable Sheila Opiana Lukban, Honorable Analita Martires, Honorable Kay Clotario, Honorable Yuri Saladaga, SB Secretary Rodel Coico, ang aton mga department heads, ang aton local PNP headed by Police Captain Briserio Timan, sir, ang aton BFP headed by Sir Magnao, fellow public servants, ladies and gentlemen, o payon ng malipayon na aga sa atong natanan. While I was listening and digesting the message of the Honorable City Councilor Laksamana of Metro Manila, of City of Manila, I felt like I am in cloud 9. Palinsa naglutang-lutang ako sa ulap. I'm still speechless. This sisterhood, this training agreement with the great city of Manila is another great milestone achievement to our beloved municipality of Labisares. Palakpakan po natin bunto. Kanina parang matuturo na akong luha eh. I do not know what is with Labisares nga we are given recognition. We are so many big entities come to our municipality. This sisterhood and training agreement is really of big help for our past development and progress. Mas lalo nga mag-abante ang aton bungto sa Labisares. Salamat sa aton nag-initiate ko sini at thanks to the great effort and hard work of our former SB member, Honorable Nelson Isgira, for initiating this training sisterhood agreement. Dako po ini nga bulig sa aton bungto kay in times of disaster kung nano ang aton mga kaurihan ada iton sira sa ato. Pagkatapos mga technological transfer o kung nano pa ang aton kinahanglan na ako ang aton makita nagsusugadod na mag-aasa sa ira, pero I know that the great city of Manila will be of great help to our municipality of Labisares. Right now, ang aton bungto, if I am not mistaken, we already have 4 sisterhood agreement with big LGU. Una, we have a sisterhood agreement with the city of Makati. Sa panahon sa akong bungto, BM Engineer Quintin sa Ludaga. Ang Makati, dako-dako ang gibubulig sa ato. Siguro, kung sisterhood, di rin natin makukuha ining mga project sa Rubaybay. Di rin natin ini maaayo ng project ito niyan bago lang nahuman ang Libertad Covered Court. Kaya nahatan si Ton, mariba ko din si Senator Nancy Binay, who is from City of Makati. And ito niyan nga atong gipapatindog dida sa Ordaneta Baywalk. Ito niyan walk bridge in front of the Rapak Leisure Park. Haliluwat itong kan Senator Binay from the City of Makati. During the time of the mayorship of Engineer Quintin sa Ludaga, Makati has been of great help to all of the Labisarisnos who went to Makati and who need some health services. Ang mga nagkaka-hospital, dako-dako ang gibubulig sa aton sa City of Makati. We also have a sisterhood agreement with the City of Valenzuela. It was initiated during the time also of Board Member Tintin Saludaga and Senator Sherwin Gatchalian, na kundiin ginhatagan ang Labisares sinsayo nga covered court maito niyan nga ada dida sa BBC Maes, the first covered court in our municipality of Labisares. And I also remember when we had this shoreline, when Northern Samar was hit by shoreline last December, the Secretary of DSWD went to Northern Samar. And when I had a chance to talk, to have an audience with Secretary of DSWD, Rex Gatchalian, I made mention, bago ko, Mr. Secretary, you were our resource speaker during my 2 times training with the Robredo School of Good Governance, and you are one of the best resource speaker during that seminar training. But I mention, ko sir, ang among po munisipyo sa Labisares may sisterhood sa City of Valenzuela. So bago niya, umao ba mayor, o kung sugad, kung yaw ka mo sisterhood, ayaw ka mo kabaraka, kay mapadara sa iyo sin ayuda ang City of Valenzuela. Because the Secretary of DSWD, Rex Gatchalian, was a former mayor of Valenzuela City. And bago niya, unano ang kakulangan sa City of Valenzuela and mapuno ang DSWD. So that was probably the reason why Labisares was granted that shoreline cash assistance, emergency cash assistance to all of the families, number of families that we have in our municipality. And we were the first LGU na naka-receive siton nga bulig na ayuda tikang sa DSWD. And because of having sisterhood with the City of Valenzuela. only what kita in sisterhood sa City of Pasig. Itong atong sisterhood sa City of Pasig, I think it was initiated by the former City Councilor of Pasig, Honorable Yuyong Martires, and also with my brother, Engineer Quintin Saludaga. And now, we have this another sisterhood twinning agreement with the great city of Manila. Kaya ini dako talaga ini nga aton honor, dako ini nga aton pribilehiyo nga ansayo na fourth class municipality ma-recognize magkakaada sin sisterhood agreement with a great city of Manila. So thank you very much. Thank you, Honorable Laksamana, and thank you, former Councilor Nelson Esguerra. Palakpakan tayo hapon ang effort ni Nelson Esguerra. And I would like to other matters kita. Kanina, nagbilib ako sa recite ng panunumpa kay memorize. Siguro ako, di ka to kaya, bisan sige ko ang inom si Mimo Plus. Siguro, mas maupay kung sino ang makaka-recite sa sugat sa ito nga without ano, siguro tagat na si premyo. Ano? Oo, balita ko, nadudumduman ko pa sa tusan during my elementary days. Nag-recite ako sa Panatang Makabayan. Of course, memorize natin ito. Pag mag-recite kita in front of all the pupils in the elementary school. Pero kanina, bilib ako kan Evelyn, bisan medyo nalilimutan ng konti. Pero he did her best to finish, di ba? Sinin niya, I challenge you to memorize na panunumpaan. Pag mamemorya mo, may premyo ka, ada sa imo likod bahala na sa imo si Honorable Rudy Torna.
Hindi ako natanggap ng suhol.
Oh, that's not a suhol, but that's an incentive for you. So, thank you very much kanina. Ang galing ng effort kanina ni Evelyn Quezon. Talagang pinabilib ako. Anyway, yesterday I went to the municipality of Catarman because yesterday was the opening salvo of the Ibabao Festival. And I was there to represent Labisares. I was there to witness our entry, yung aton ito entry na ang aton float. Kahapon nag-open ang Ibabao Festival by having that float parade contest. Sa akong pag-observar, talaga nag-level up na, nag-improve na talaga by leaps and bounds ang mga float na nag-present kahapon as compared to last year. The price was increased, and first prize 350,000, and second prize 250,000, and third prize 150,000. Although I really admire what we have done, that was a great effort, team effort of Team Labisares, mga atong mga artists. We gathered all together. I thank the engineering department, si Sixtan, si Marlo, si Minmin, of course, ang mga tanang mga artists na nagburulig para mahumanta itong atong i-present. But we are short of getting a major award. Naka-receive lang kita sin certificate of participation lang. Siguro si atong treasurer makuha na lang dito yung gihapon kita premyo. Ang mga nagpartisipar tig 100,000 gihapon kuno. Kuha na dito sa provincial treasurer. Ambot kon 100,000 gud man tingali gibuwaan na liwat ako. 50,000 of Lope de Vega, naka-istorya ko ang municipality of Mapanas, ang municipality of San Jose, ang mayor sa Pambuhan. Ang nagana kahapon sa first prize ang Lope de Vega. Inapot ko bago ko, pero ba ang iyo budget, input up nyo ang budget sininga Ibabao Festival, because Lope de Vega is a consistent winner. They won last year sa era float parade, naganaliwat siya rito siya sa era booth, sa agricultural booth nera, and I do not know if they won in the festival dance. So, inabot ko, pero ba niyo budget? Ang era ko no budget na put up sa Ibabaw Festival is 1.7 million. That's a big amount compared to Labisares. Ang atong put up la is 600,000. Sa tanan na itong events, ada na ang Miss Ibabaw, ada na ang float parade, ada na ang festival dance, ada na liwat ito nga sa booth. I would like to acknowledge the presence of Honorable Lerwin Lim. And kaabay ko liwat ang Mayor San Pambuhan, Mayor Felipe Susing. Kaya si Mayor Felipe Susing, ang Pambuhan won sa third prize. Bali 150,000 nero nakuha. Bago ko, pero ba Mayor, ano yung gastos? Sa float la. Pero ang gastos niyo sa float, 300,000. 300,000 ang ginastos nero sa float. Ang Labisares, ang atong ginastos, I'm not mistaken, a total of 140,000, tama ba? Ay 130,000 ang giput up ni BM, yan si ni Abuyo, tapos nagdugang ako 10,000. So I think the total expenses in our float is 140,000. Almost more than double sa the third placer na sa Pambuhan. Siguro, I suggest that if we want to win a major prize in that, kinahanglan dugang-dugangan ta naton budget next year. Nang kinahanglan niyan pala, i-conceptualize ta na kung nano naton himuon sa float parade. Ngan medyo dako-dakoon ta ang aton float kay sanay-sanay ato nga aton in present. And I was very impressed with the entry of Municipality of San Roque. Napakaganda sa Nera Idea. Siguro niyan pala, ibutang nyo sa computer, niyan pala. We will plan 1 year ahead and we will put up a budget so that we will have a fighting chance if we will join by next year. Bago sa ako ni BM, because I was there, upod kami ni BM Tingting, bago niya, pabayin na lang bago itong ibang mga kuwan, pa-contest, dito na lang kita mag-focus sa Miss Ibabaw kay makakunoan aton panlaban. So, I hope that our Miss Labisares will win as Miss Ibabaw para maging back-to-back winner na ang Labisares. Ipakita ta nga Labisares is a home of beautiful people. So, Marton, I think our contestant has a very big chance to win as Miss Ibabaw. So, ang sa atong festival dance, di ko pa naiimon, katapos manay string sa imo mga kamay nakasalalay yung pagpanalo ng aton sa booth. But what I want is we will not be there. We will not be there in the Ibabaw Festival to join. We should not be there to compete. We should be there to win. Dapat ganon kasi because of our, diba, competitive spirit. If we join those contests, we should be there to win the contest. Yun ang ating objective. Kasi sa nakawa kami, duhura labay na yun. Dumuin na yung mga topics na ako na-discuss. Sa'yo na naka-oras. So sa'yo na, nakita ta na, haros siguro 98% ng human na ini nga aton didi kalsada, didi sa Labisares, didi sa BC Street, ini nga Salvacion Street. Ang kulang na lang siton, iton nga precast nga itatabon siton nga mga luho. Ngay dire pwede itong nga dire itong mabutangan nga precast iton nga mga bakal nga ginpang-welding nga para madali tanggalon kung halimbawa lilimpyuhan ang kanal. Yun as itong gipapabricate nga pag human na ini didi nga aton didi tawag sini nga project, the correction of Salvacion Street Road and the drainage project sini nga aton Salvacion Street. And umana po ang aton covered court sa Barangay Libertad. Ganiyan, dali na lang mahuman ang covered court sa Barangay of Daneta. pati na ang sa barangay Datag. Ngan ang sa barangay Libas na covered court, sige na lang ang trabaho. I hope that before the year ends, preparado na itong barangay Libas covered court. Pwede na natong gamiton. Sa akong pagbilang, nasa 17 na ang aton covered court na nahimo. And starting from nothing, 17 na yan na. Bali 16 na siton nga barangay ang nagbibenepisyo kay ang barangay Enriqueta 2 sayo sa era auditorium, sayo dito sa era evacuation center nga para covered court din. And I think before the election makadugang pa kita sin lima pa nga covered court: barangay Bane, barangay San Juan, barangay Magsaysay, barangay Tuog, barangay Sabang Tabok, another one. Ngansin, dito talingo ako, mabutang ang paliwat, ang Villa Hermosa, ngansan, barangay Salvacion. So, dire na nga na 5, kundi 7 pa. Hintay ko na itong susumahon, 17 plus 7, 24 na. Iyon na lang kulang para makumpleto ta ang mga tanan nga barangay sa bungtos ng Labisares. Ang makure pabutangan, ang barangay Kataugan nga sa barangay Ukad, kay waray man sin mga butangan. O ang barangay Chansvilla, bisan iuri na lang, kay kulang pa man tao ang barangay Chansvilla. So, that is my target nga before mag-election, makadugang pa kita si mga 5 o 7 pa nga covered courts. I hope that this will be realized para naman masugadan iba di. Ano naman kami, sana all, di para mabutangan na gudlatanan. I have a friend of mine who is the mayor of Balite, Aklan. Ang iya barangay sa iya bungto 12, pero ang iya covered court 17. So, maito na akong ginsusundan. I am very close to that mayor, kaya Roa City is very near Balite, Aklan. It's just a matter of 45 minutes drive. And buwas po, makakato ako sa Tacloban, kay ma-attend naman ako sa PAMBI meeting together with Manay String. Tomorrow, at ngayon ko malarga, no? Kung pwede, amon mo na gamiton dide ang Travis, kay ipasakyan ko sa mga representation, mga PAMBI members from Labisares. Ang Travis, UEP pa, o ang Santulong at taga UEP. Ang amon dito purpose is to submit, to present the EIA, Environmental Impact Assessment, nga mao ang requirement kinahanglan iton para hatagan na sin area clearance ang aton Labisares Seaport. Pag mahatagan na sin area clearance, mao na iton mahatag na ma-issue sa ECC, Environmental Clearance Certificate. So mao na ito kinahanglan para matikangan na ining aton Labisares Seaport. I hope that this will be soon realized, kay pag ini nga aton Labisares Seaport operational na, I think waray na talaga problema, waray na ibang katuan ang Labisares, kundi mag-abante ang aton bungto. Mao iton ang kadako nga bulig sining Labisares Seaport. This is the single biggest infrastructure project in our municipality of Labisares, nga by next year magkakantidad ini sin 1.2 billion pesos. Itong basta-basta nga project. Adi po, I am calling the attention of the SB nga ipass niyo ang resolution giving authority to me to enter into a memorandum of agreement with DOTR with regards to the construction of San Agustin Seaport in the amount of 25 million. Butindugan sin Seaport ang San Agustin, tikang ang pondo sa DOTR nag-request ang sekretary ni Paul Dasa, Attorney Rencitan, na i-fast track aproban na yun SB resolution, as well as SB resolution also coming from requesting to the office of Francis Tolentino, Senator Francis Tolentino, for another multipurpose building project. So yun ako nasagtugin submit sa iya nga request, pero waray sin SB resolution. Kung pwede back upan sin SB resolution. Ngan Ang aton luwat bungto magkakaada sin disaster monitoring center under ini sa DND niyan ang propose ini nga project did ako ipabutang sa aton government center nagkakantidad ini sin 50 to 70 million. Dako ini kay Android ko nga ni pa-design himuon na lang siya nga double purpose maging parang civic center na lang para kung may mga events kita. It is just at the back of our proposed municipal hall in the future dida sa aton government center dida sa may barangay Caragas. So si Sixtan actually nag-request na ako sinikan Engineer John Mark Distora kasi na lang maghimo san POW. Nanadiluwa to kung pwede kunta by next flag ceremony we should give an award and recognition honor to the two athletes from Labisares. Do sila ang nakuha nga gold medal sa Northern Samar pero ang upat nga gold medal naghali didi sa bungtos sa Labisares. Yan, duwa nga gold medal ang ato nakuha sa chess, ngan duwa nga gold medal ang nakuha sa atong event. Discastro no? O Discastro ngan bagaw san mga athlete. An era record itong sa Discastro qualified para kuno sa national, pwede mag-train sa national. So by next flag ceremony, I hope that we can give an award, cash incentive to those athletes. Kay imagine 1/3 of the gold medal. There are 24 municipalities in the province and 1/3 agtikang sa bungtos ng Labisares. So ang Labisares talaga masusugad ko is the land of the idol. So maupay nga aga sa atong tanan. To God be all the glory. Abante Labisares.
Thank you very much, Mayor, and thank you everyone for gracing this historic event. Salamat nga maupay nga aga sa inyo tanan.